Welcome to Couple Sync. In relationships, the invisible emotional labor of maintaining a connection often falls disproportionately on one partner. We are changing that by turning daily habits into a gamified mutual gift. Our week starts on Saturday, right here on the dashboard, with the weekly surprise. Instead of a clinical therapy checklist, each partner secretly selects a unique date or shared experience they want to plan for the upcoming weekend. It sets a positive, romantic goal from day one. Once our surprises are locked in, we connect our devices using the couple mode feature and a shared room code. Couple Sync is a privacy-first, decentralized application built on the internet computer. Because relationship data is highly sensitive, we engineered a zero-knowledge local fallback. As you can see by our demo banner, if the Motoko backend or the blockchain network ever lags, the app gracefully falls back to local storage. Couples are never blocked from their daily check-in. With our rooms synced, we go through our week completing quick daily connection prompts. But here is the magic. I don't just log my feelings into a void. My daily effort actively unlocks a new progressive clue about the secret surprise my partner planned for us. I am putting in the work to unlock my mystery reward. This cross-hint system makes emotional equity visible, engaging, and genuinely fun. In the real world, these daily tasks unlock strictly day by day, so couples can't peek ahead at their clues. But for our CreateHerFest judges, you can test the entire loop yourself by triple-clicking the Couple Sync logo at the top of the app to unlock developer mode. Let's use that right now to simulate a full week. Over on the Weekly Progress tab, you can see our shared ledger of effort filling up. Hitting 5 out of 7 days officially unlocks our weekly badge. Looking ahead, hitting 20 days unlocks our monthly milestones. We are integrating the ICRC 7 standard to automatically mint these beautiful monthly badges as soulbound tokens directly to the couple's ICP wallets. Because these tokens are non-transferable, they create a permanent, decentralized, and highly personal on-chain gallery of our authentic relationship milestones. Finally, on Friday, the clues pay off. The app formally reveals the exact experience my partner planned for us, right before we pick our next goal on Saturday morning. Consistency is the real romance. Thank you so much to CreateHerFest for hosting this incredible hackathon and empowering us to build for UN SDG 5. We are Couple Sync.